Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade to DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Here in DaVinci Resolve Studio, just search it up, the DaVinci Resolve 19. You'll have a free download version. You can also do an option to buy it. So once you have downloaded it, you can get the zip right here. So it's gonna unzip the file. So let's wait for it. So as you can see right here, we'll have it right here. We'll have the DMG, just open it, the disk image, and then right here you have the install resolve. So just press that, and let's wait for it. So here just press continue, 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 and then agree. And then just install it, and then place your password, of course, and then it's gonna write the installation files from there. It's just that simple. So right now it's just still in beta stage, so we'll just have to wait for the full DaVinci Resolve 19. So it's, as you can see, it's public beta only. So this is how you install your DaVinci Resolve Studio 19 without any problems. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.